Chapter 9. Heredity and Evolution. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. Question 1. Exchange of genetic material takes place in. Answer. C. Sexual reproduction. Explanation. Sexual reproduction involves meiosis in gamete mother cells to form gametes and fusion of male and female gametes into zygote. Question 2. Two pink-colored flowers on crossing resulted in one red, two pink and one white flower progeny. The nature of the cross will be answer. C. Cross-fertilization. Explanation. Cross-fertilization is transfer of pollen from one plant to the stigma of flower borne on different plant of same species. Question 3. A cross between a tall plant, TT, and short pea plant, TT, resulted in progeny that were all tall plants because answer. A. Tallness is the dominant trait. Explanation. According to law of dominance, a trait is represented by two contrasting factors of a gene in a heterozygous individual. The allele factor that can express itself in heterozygous individual is called as dominant trait. The other factor whose effect is masked by presence of dominant factor is called recessive factor. Question 4. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer. D. For every molecule of fat there is a gene. Explanation. Fat biosynthesis occurs through metabolic reaction. Question 5. If a round, green-seeded pea plant, RRYY, is crossed with wrinkled, yellow-seeded pea plant, RRYY, the seeds production in F1 generation are answer. A. Round and yellow. Explanation. The cross between RRYY and RRYY seeds will obtain RRYY offspring which will exhibit round and yellow phenotype as these traits are dominant one. Question 6. In human males all the chromosomes are paired perfectly except one. These unpaired chromosome is A, I, large chromosome, E, small chromosome, E, small chromosome, IV, X chromosome answer. C. Explanation. Human males are hemizygous for X and Y chromosomes. Question 7. The maleness of a child is determined by answer. B. The Y chromosome in zygote. Explanation. The maleness of a child is determined by presence of Y chromosome in zygote. Question 8. A zygote which has an X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into a. Answer. B. Girl. Explanation. Humans follow XXXY mechanism of sex determination. Question 9. Select the incorrect statement. Answer. B. Reduction in weight of the organism due to starvation is genetically controlled. Explanation. The weight reduction due to starvation is environmentally determined factor. Question 10. New species may be formed if I. DNA undergoes significant changes in germ cells. Answer. A. Explanation. Change in genetic material leads to reproductive isolation of population into a new species. Question 11. Two pea plants, one with round green seeds, RRYY, and another with wrinkled yellow, seeds produce F, progeny that have round, yellow, RRYY, seeds. When F plants are selfed, the F progeny will have new combination of characters. Choose the new combination from the following. Answer. B. Round, yellow. Wrinkled, green. Explanation. The new combination in F progeny will be offspring showing phenotype other than aunt ones, round and green, wrinkled yellow. Hence, the recombinant progeny will be one with round yellow and wrinkled green seeds. Question 12. A basket of vegetables contains carrot, potato, radish and tomato. Which of them represent the correct homologous structures? Answer: C. Radish and carrot. Explanation: homologous organs perform different functions and have different appearance but share common basic structural plan and origin. Question 13. Select the correct statement. Answer: D. Wings of bird and wings of bat are homologous. Explanation: homologous organs perform different functions and have different appearance but share common basic structural plan and origin. Analogous organs perform similar function and have similar appearance but have different basic structure and origin. Question 14. If the fossil of an organism is found in the deeper layers of Earth, then we can predict that. Answer: B. The extinction of organism has occurred thousands of years ago. Explanation: depth of each stratum signifies the relative age of fossils present in it. The deeper the stratum, the older the rock and the fossils present in it. Question 15. Which of the following statements is not true with respect to variation? Answer: A. All variations in a species have equal chances of survival. Explanation: variations that impart reproductive or survival advantage to organisms are being favored during evolution. Question 16. A trait in an organism is influenced by. Answer: C. Both maternal and paternal DNA. Explanation: an organism develops from zygote, which in turn is product of fusion of male and female gamete. Question 17. Select the group which shares maximum number of common characters. Answer: A. Two individuals of a species. Explanation: species form the lowest taxonomic category and includes all the organisms that share maximum number of common characters. While moving up in taxonomic hierarchy, number of shared characters get reduced. Question 18. According to the evolutionary theory, formation of a new species is generally due to. Answer: B. Accumulation of variations over several generations. Explanation: accumulation of variations over several generations serve as raw material on which evolutionary force, natural selection, acts upon to create new species. Question 19. From the list given below, select the character which can be acquired but not inherited. Answer: C. Size of body. Explanation: environmentally determined traits are acquired. Size of body depends on nutritional status, health conditions, etc. Question 20. The two versions of a trait, character, which are brought in by the male and female gametes are situated on. Answer: A. Copies of the same chromosome. Explanation: the two versions of a trait are situated on homologous chromosomes. Question 21. Select the statements that describe characteristics of genes. Answer: B. Explanation: genes are stretches of DNA located on specific locus on a particular chromosome in individuals of a given species. Question 22. In peas, a pure tall plant, TT, is crossed with a short plant, TT. The ratio of pure tall plants to short plants in F is. Answer: B. 3:1. Explanation: the monohybrid F generation phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Question 23. The number of pairs of sex chromosomes in the zygote of humans is. Answer: A. 2. Explanation: zygote is diploid structure and has one pair of sex chromosome, XX or XY. Question 24. The theory of evolution of species by natural selection was given by. Answer: B. Darwin. Explanation: Darwin proposed the theory of natural selection to explain the process of evolution. Question 25. Some dinosaurs had feathers although they could not fly, but birds have feathers that help them to fly. In the context of evolution, this means that answer D. Birds have evolved from reptiles. Explanation: development of flight feathers in reptilian ancestors of birds lead to evolution of birds, aves.